Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best blender for ice. So let's get started. Number 7. Blendtec Classic 575. Our top pick is the Blendtec TB621-20 Total Classic Original Blender, a lightweight, powerful model that justifies its higher price with a great range of features. This model weighs a light 7.28 pounds and has a strong 1,560-watt motor that very effectively crushes ice. The simple button interface offers 6 pre-programmed cycles, 10 variable speeds, and a pulse feature, plus a handy self-cleaning button. The BPA-free plastic pitcher has a smaller 32-ounce blending capacity, but is well designed, with a fifth wall that pulls ingredients down onto the blade. The 2-tip stainless steel blade feels very durable and isn't sharp, so it's safer and easier to clean. Number 6. Ninja BL610 Ice Crushing. Are you looking to save money? You may be interested in the Ninja Professional BL610 Countertop Blender, which we recommend as the best blender for crushing ice and frozen drinks for the money. This 7-pound model is low-cost and lightweight, but still has a strong 1,000-watt motor that can quickly crush ice and frozen fruit. It has a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher with a large 64-ounce blending capacity and a sturdy 6-blade assembly, plus a simple interface with a pulse, low, medium, and high options. The BL610 has a reasonably appealing design and works well with ice, but is also quite loud and requires tamping for smooth blends. The pitcher isn't as durable as we'd like, cracking and leaking with heavy use, and the sharp blades can be difficult to clean and become dull when blending ice. Number 5. Vitamix 7500 Ice Blender. If you've got extra room in your budget, you may want to give the Vitamix 7500 blender a look. This high-end model has a powerful all-metal drive and plenty of useful features, but is also heavy and has less durable components. This 13-pound blender has a powerful motor and a good 64-ounce blending capacity. It has a somewhat clunky switch and dial interface that offers 10 variable speeds and a pulse option. The motor is equipped with a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system, and the 4-tip stainless steel blade assembly effectively cuts through ice. We especially like the self-cleaning feature and the choice of attractive colors. Number 4. Hamilton 54220. The Hamilton Beach 54220 Wave Crusher Blender is a very affordable and lightweight option, though it isn't particularly durable and doesn't work as well on ice. This 7-pound machine has a less powerful 700-watt motor and patented 4-tip blade assembly and wave action system designed to blend smoothly. The small 40-ounce blending jar is made of glass, and the machine comes with a self-cleaning feature. The 8-button interface offers an impressive 14 blending functions, including a range of presets. This model isn't too loud, but it has less durable plastic pieces, like the blade attachment, and the pitcher has indents that prevent smooth blending. Number 3. Oster Reverse Crush. Another low-cost option is the Oster BVCB07Z00NP0 Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender, an interesting-looking model with several convenient features. This 9.15-pound machine has an overly complicated, though well-labeled, 9-button interface. You can choose between 2 presets, one of which is for frozen drinks, and 5 manual speeds. We liked the dedicated stop button and the dual-direction 6-tip stainless steel blades, which reverse automatically when the machine jams. The 48-ounce blending jar is made of sturdy, dishwasher-safe glass, and the lid has a 2-ounce filler cap so you can add ingredients while blending. This model's 1000-watt motor is very loud, but does a fairly good job crushing ice. In testing, we found that it requires quite a bit of stirring to blend smoothly. Number 2. Cleanblend 2001 Blender. The Cleanblend 2001 commercial blender is another powerful option, though it is heavier, more expensive, and not especially well designed. This bulky 12-pound blender has an impressive 1800-watt motor that's plenty powerful to crush ice. The package includes a Japanese-made 8-tip stainless steel blade assembly, a 64-ounce BPA-free blending jar, and a BPA-free tamper and spatula. It's not a particularly attractive model, with a clunky switch and dial interface that offers a range of speeds. In testing, we found that even the lower speed settings were very fast, so this blender doesn't have a very wide range. The pitcher doesn't fit perfectly on the base, so you may have to hold it down while blending, and it isn't well designed for smooth blending, so you'll probably need to use the included tamper. Number 1. Geek Ice Crushing Blender. Geek's offering, the H22259 US Blender Smoothie Maker, is reasonably priced and offers a range of good features, but doesn't work especially well with ice and has a complicated interface. The 1450-watt motor is strong, but seizes easily and can't cut through full-size ice cubes. This 9.9-pound machine offers 8 speeds and 4 presets, including dedicated ice crush and smoothie buttons, through a complicated but attractive interface. The large 68-ounce pitcher is made of extra-thick BPA-free Tri-10 plastic and can blend hot liquids up to 228 degrees Fahrenheit.